Hi everyone, today we're going to change the rear brake pad on a BMW 2015 X3 with electric parking brake. First we need to connect the diagnostic software ISTA to the vehicle and scan all the codes. Then we need to open up the service function menu, look into chassis and suspension, and find the parking brake. Go to the workshop mode and comes out to this screen here. We need to deactivate the position before we start working on it. It takes quite some time to deactivate, so be patient. After deactivate the brake, then we can remove the caliper. Caliper have two bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. Before we do that, we have to remove the electric connector. After remove the caliper, you can see the piston. Then you need to using a special tools to turn the piston clockwise all the way in before you put the new pads on. After put back everything, then go back to the system, go to the workshop mode, reactivate the position. Okay, after that we go back to the service function menu, then go to the maintenance item and look for CBS reset. Click into it and go to the CBS reset menu and click it. So it will load up all the service items like the oil change, brake shoes, brake pad, filter, cabin filter, all those. So we need to reset it because we did oil change, so we do the oil change first. It takes some time to reset it. Okay, after that you will see they have 100% left. That means you already reset. Next item will be the rear brake. You have to do one at a time. On the BMW system you cannot do everything at once. You have to do it one at a time. So we do the reset the brake pad, then after that we need to reset the brake fluid change. Yeah, one by one. It's painful, but it happened. Okay. And the service function reset. Go back to the menu. Reset all the code. Make sure all the module is green. That means no more code. If red, that means the module malfunction. If orange or yellow, that means they have an error code haven't been cleared. Take time, play with it. Okay, looks like everything in green, so we're good. Then go back to the car and double check. Okay, start it up, make sure no more light bling bling. The service manual, everything's okay in green, so the CBS is reset.